How to enable the App Vault feature or switch from Google Discover to App Vault on your Poco or Xiaomi phone with Android 14 Hyper OS. So if you want to enable this here, when you swipe like this here, you'll get access to all these options here. Basically, what you want to do is long press a blank area on the home screen like this here, then tap on the settings, then go to more. As you enter into more, you will see the one screen option here. As you tap on that, you'll see these options. And if you have it to none, then nothing will happen. Google Discover gives you the Google Discover, and you have the App Vault feature. So when you have this set up here now, and you come out of all of this here, you'll be able to access the App Vault here, swiping from left to right. Okay, and you're gonna get a view of a lot of settings, apps, and all that stuff here, all right? And of course, you can also make your changes here by going into here, adding some more stuff, as well as tapping here to manage the services and whatnot. Okay, so once you're done with all that, that's it. Like and sub.